Dengue virus outbreak at KAL English district as many 12 people contracted the virus as on 20th October. Dr. Tuliram Ronghang handed over 3,575 appointment notification to President and members of Village Council on 21st October. Government of Assam revoked AFSPA from West KAL English district on 20th October. Good morning viewers, you are watching KAL English Live English Prime Time. As the state of Assam is engaged on a fight against dengue virus, KAL English district did not miss his spot to be at the list. Almost every day, new reports of people contracting the dengue virus could be seen at the district. And as of 20th October, 12 people were found to be tested positive to dengue. It's high time for the citizens of KAL English to stay alert and vigilant over dengue virus outbreak at the district. One must ensure to drain and dry out all the stagnant water bodies in and around the house, as this type of environment is where the productions of mosquito take place. To get the in-depth details on this account, our correspondents made a visit to the office of Joint Director of Health Services KAL English Autonomous Council, Obed Killing District Victor Bourne consultant, while speaking to us informed that due to the rapid increment of people contracting dengue virus, the Department of Health and Family Welfare had been working tirelessly since the last few days to tackle with the outbreak of this virus.
Namat nitum dengue case official judu nitum la Eliza ki test bang athema dengue case ke red kit red kita ki test to bonsta nitum la ke official ande official nitum Eliza ki test la ke namat nitum positive 12 la pen nitum ki test tang thongkebra proxy lo namat.
So far, there are no any medicines specifically made to cure dengue disease. One can only prevent from coming into direct contact with the virus by following some of the simple procedures and guidelines from the physicians. News Desk report for KAL English Live. On 21st October, KAL Customary Law Finalization Committee, KAL English Autonomous Council, in collaboration with Legislative Department, organized a ceremonial distribution of appointment notification to 3,575 presidents and members of Village Council at Longmirjeng Achatai, KAL People's Hall, Taralangso, Dipu from 11 a.m. onwards. KAL community is very rich in its cultural heritage. It has its own traditional and customary laws. Hence, to maintain the legacy inherited from the forefathers, KAL English Autonomous Council had adopted a resolution to preserve the traditional way of practice by introducing village councils and conducted several workshop interactive sessions with the intellectuals and several legal experts. Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM KAL English Autonomous Council, while speaking to us, informed that the provisions and autonomy to create KAL Customary Court or Village Council was given to KAL English Autonomous Council in the year 1954. Exercising this autonomy, the present team KAL English had been working tirelessly since the last 3 years for its implementation. KAL Customary Law Finalization Committee was formed, and after due consultation with all the intellectuals and legal experts, and a final draft was sent to the governor. And after due approval from the governor, an appointment to 3,575 presidents and members of Village Council was handed on 21st October at KAL People's Hall, Taralangso. One of beneficiary, while speaking to us, expressed his gratitude towards Dr. Tuliram Ronghang led KAL English Autonomous Council government for enacting the final bill of KAL customary laws. He assured the implementation of KAL customary laws and abide by the bills to work sincerely.
Lasi kebangjian yan ke niretum KAL English Autonomous Council pen phase wise je customary court kachingwa yadi malong hong pharla niltum KAL English Autonomous Council pen keklem ponje phanetum body ponpo laso phie banke village development council hala banke development apart kaching thura mo sayang dengue claim ponji isi a council bang
Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Horen Singh Bey, MP, Dor Singh Ronghang, MLA, Bidya Singh Ingleng, MLA, Dr. Thorom Singh Teron, Alvin Teron, EMs, MACs, 4,000 crowds and several important dignitaries attended the ceremonial distributions of appointment notification. News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live. More than 2.5 decades, the entire state of Assam was imposed under Armed Forces Special Power Act AFSPA 1958. The district of undivided Karbi Anglong was also one among all. Central government declared the entire region of Assam as disturbed area on November 27, 1990. Due to restless ethnic conflicts, unceasing terrorist activities at the region, agitations, militant operations across the state, etc. The district of West Karbi Anglong was carved out from Karbi Anglong district in the year 2016. But the newly created district in the state was enforced under Armed Forces Special Powers Act due to the instability within the district. The district of undivided Karbi Anglong was declared as disturbed area on November 27, 1990. Hence, to bring normalcy and stability within the district and the state, Armed Forces Special Powers Act AFSPA 1958 was imposed at the region. With a review of the law and order and security scenario in West Karbi Anglong in the past few years indicates that the situation has considerably improved. Hence, the government of Assam had decided to withdraw AFSPA from West Karbi Anglong district by declaring the region as no longer disturbed area. However, after the review of law and order and security of the remaining district with AFSPA in Assam, the government had decided to extend the controversial law for another 6 months in 8 districts and 1 subdivision of Assam. The following districts in which AFSPA would be enforced for another 6 months are Karbi Anglong, Dibrugarh, Tinsukia, Sibsagar, Charaideo, Jorhat, Golaghat, Dima Hasao and subdivision Lakhimpur of Kachar district. News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.